Good evening, students. Today we will start our lesson number 4, structure of atoms. Something which is cut it from here, but some things are important that I am going to tell you. First of all, what is the atom? Atoms are made up of 3 subatomic particles, that is electrons, protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons are present in a small nucleus at the center of the atom. The black headings, please write it in your copies. Electrons are outside the nucleus. Okay, so what will happen? Electrons, protons and neutrons. Today I am going to tell you about something about electrons, protons and neutrons. Let's see here about electrons. Discovery of the electron. It was given by J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson has given in 1897. What will happen? In this one they have taken a cathode rays and they have passing the electricity on this one. After they passing the electricity, what will happen? In a discharge tube, what will happen? It consists of atom and all the atoms contain electrons. Okay, when the electricity is passing, the voltage is going on. It means electrons are moved from in here. When high electrical voltage is applied, means more amount of electricity is applied. The electrical energy pushes out some of the electron from the atom of the gas. Means some of the electrons will push out. Okay, when this push out the fast moving electrons from the cathode rays, what will happen? Those push out atoms from the subatomic particles, that is said to be as negatively charged, that is called as electrons. Okay, so the characteristics of electrons, first of all mass, that is mass of electron is about 1/1840, but the relative mass of electron is 18140, that is a relative mass, but absolute mass is 9 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams. Okay, now charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs, and the relative charge is -1. Discovery of proton was by E. Goldstein, given by. Okay, what he has done, he has also taken as a anode rays. Okay, he has taken a anode rays, same he has also passing the electricity but at a low pressure. What will happen when he is passing the electricity? What happen? The particles which are in a anode rays, that anode ray consists of positive charge particles. Those particles are positive charge. The mass and charge of the anode rays particles depend on their nature of the gas. Means in a anode rays, what are the charge and the particles, that is depend on this starch tube. Okay, different gases have different types of anode rays. Different gases having different types of anode rays. We can't say that all having the same kind of anode rays. After this, E. Goldstein have given, he has said that the hydrogen gas is the lightest gas and hydrogen atom is the lightest atom. So he has given a discovery of electron. When the electricity is passed over it, the positive things is passing. The positive thing is said to be the proton. In this one also the charge and the mass will be present. In this one the mass of the proton is 1 U and the absolute mass is 1.6 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Same charge is here, which is equal and opposite to the charge of electron, that is absolute charge 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and the relative charge is +1. Discovery of neutron was given by James Chadwick in 1932. Neutron means neither be positive, neither be negative, neither be positive. Okay, so here characteristics of it: mass of neutron, relative mass 1 U and the absolute is 1.6 10 to the power minus 24. Charge, it has no charge, it is electrically neutral. Neutral means protons and neutrons equal. So this is the thing which you can write down in your copy. Till here you can write down in your copy. After this I will tell you Thomson model of the atom and the other things. Thank you students and have a nice day, and these things you write it in your copy. Once again I will show you from the book that what you have to write down in a discovery of electron, proton and the neutron. Okay, thank you students and have a nice day.